Understanding the phrase, welding booth. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very specific but interesting English phrase, welding booth. Whether you're a language learner, a welding enthusiast, or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. We'll break down what a welding booth is, its usage, and some context to help you understand and remember this term. A welding booth is a small, enclosed area designed for welding activities. It's a safety measure, providing a controlled environment to protect the welder and others from sparks, intense light, and fumes generated during welding. Imagine a small room or a partitioned space in a workshop. That's your typical welding booth. Welding booths are crucial for safety in any welding environment. They contain sparks and heat to prevent fires or injuries, block harmful UV rays generated during welding, protecting people nearby, reduce noise and fumes, creating a safer and more comfortable workspace. Understanding the importance of a welding booth helps in comprehending why this term is significant in both welding and safety contexts. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in a sentence. For example, the new workshop is equipped with several welding booths for students. He spent hours in the welding booth, perfecting his craft. Safety regulations require the installation of welding booths in all industrial settings. I hope this video has illuminated the meaning and importance of the phrase, welding booth. Remember, it's more than just a term, it's about safety and precision in a welding environment. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next English language learning adventure.